Welcome students, I am Rashmi, your English teacher. So today we are doing very important thing. You will ask madam what? See, we have come to the writing session. Before this I had done grammar, literature with you. So writing session I have done formal letter, informal letter also. And this part is also very important, story writing. Students, you must be very curious. Ma'am, story is very interesting. Yes, 100%. You will get, if you do just listen the video from the very beginning to the end, at that time you will get full marks, students. Today I have just shown you such a pattern that if any type of story comes, that if you use your full common sense, you will get full marks. हो गई ना बात? Very easy pattern. So please and see, if you just like it at that time, if you haven't subscribed me yet, don't forget to subscribe me. बेटा सब्सक्राइब भी करना और साथ में लाइक भी करना. तो देखिए, स्टोरी जैसे ही आता है, कहानी सुनते ही हमें याद आता है कि वन थिंग, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू आर योर ओन मास्टर ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी. इसके अंदर कोई आपको ये नहीं है कि भाई यहां पर ये एड्रेस आ गया, वो आ गया. अरे भाई, आपको अपने ही अंदाज में स्टोरी लिखनी है. बिल्कुल आप फ्री हैं बच्चों. यू हैव नो बाउंडेशन. यू विल हैव टू राइट योर ओन स्टोरी. बट इन 10th क्लास वी डोंट हैव स्टोरी राइटिंग. वी हैव द स्टोरी राइटिंग from the junior classes also. 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th also it has 5 marks, and in the junior classes it has 8 to 10 marks. So all of you should be very careful. So let me start one thing. First of all, imagination, common sense. Because it is a pattern, you will have to write the stories accordingly. But you will not write, if I have just mentioned market scene here, and if the question comes in the exam that we are going to jungle, so at that time बच्चों, in jungle we will not see market. बस एक बात का आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है. I will explain to you this also. And the most important thing, use of past tense. Past indefinite. I have told you this thing when I had done past indefinite tense with you, just as he went, simple. He went, if in the negative, he did not go. So please use past simple or was, were, he was there, like this. Narration, direct or indirect. If you don't know the indirect, just as I have done with you, so please write it in inverted commas. He said, comma, inverted comma, I am not well. So this will also, you will get, at that time you will get full marks. So narration, past tense, common sense. Further, here two type of stories are there. One is incident based, just as suddenly he was going to the market, the rain started, suddenly, just as surprise has been given here. One type of story this, and the second is point based, outline based, just as here I have written this type of a story. I will just also this thing I will explain to you. First of all, explain me all the points. Further, read, and what you will do, if the outline story is like this, you will have to go through 3 to 4 minutes. Just as read it twice, thrice, because when you will read, at that time you will have the capacity to form the story, because you will have to write your own. There is no cramming. It is not cramming, not literature or anything like this that you have learned and you have written. You will have to use your own imagination. So some general topics I am just explaining before you, that if these type of topics come or similar to it, at that time you will write the easy pattern, the easy lines, the general lines. What I have written? General lines. You will write those lines. Okay? जो भी कोई इस टाइप की आते हैं, मैं आपको भी समझा रही हूं बेटा. This is only type of the video in which I have given you all the material. So there is no problem for you. Take it easy. Now listen carefully. It was 6 o'clock in the evening. There was a lot of traffic on the road. Mohan was driving his car when suddenly, now see, suddenly, अचानक क्या हुआ? 2 teenagers overtook his car. Now when you see this thing, you will just understand at one point कि मैम some accident can happen. Yes, accident can happen. So we will make such a format that will suit into that. उसके अंदर फिट बैठ जाएगा. तो ये एक एक्सीडेंट टाइप की स्टोरी आ जाएगी, ये आप लिखेंगे. अब देखिए कौन कौन से पॉइंट इसमें मिक्स हो रहे हैं. Sarla had been waiting for the train for 2 hours. She was restless suddenly. Listen carefully. अब यहां पर देखिए, यहां पर क्या होगा, चोरी भी हो सकती है. So that is also a very common topic. I have mentioned it. I will just show you. Now, 2 friends were passing through a forest. Suddenly they heard. अब देखिए बच्चों, 2 friends, यहाँ फॉरेस्ट आ गया तो यहाँ पे आप मार्केट नहीं लिखोगे, मार्केट वाली 2-3 लाइनें काट के आप बाद वाला स्टार्ट हो जाओगे. बस थोड़ी सी कॉमन सेंस लगानी है. आगे देखिए, लास्ट संडे आई वॉज वॉचिंग टीवी, सडनली आई हर्ड पीपल शाउटिंग आउटसाइड. तो यहाँ पर आप चोरी का केस बड़े आराम से लिख सकते हैं कि भाई ऐसे ऐसे जो है चोर आ गया. आगे पीछे की कुछ लाइनें हटा के कुछ एडजस्ट करके आप जो है लिखोगे. तो आई थिंक दिस थिंग इज क्लियर टू यू. These all are the your incident based story, and this point based story you will read it 2 or 3 times. Very simple. It is coming into to 3rd class also, 6th class, 7th class, 8th, 9th. Every time you will get tortoise and hare. Good friends. So they were good friends. They were known for tortoise was known for the slow speed and hare was known for the fast speed. Here you will write some just verb you will have to add and the lines you will take from here. Tortoise challenges him. Referee selected, race, hare, confident. So you will write here, hare was confident. Just you will have to write was. And you can give 2-3 lines by your own. They were going and always boasted that he had a very good speed. He was always a winner. See, I have used here past tense. If you use present at that time, marks will be cut. Beta, but only keep this thing in your mind that past tense will be used. So here confident. So he takes है ना, तो यहाँ पर what happened? He took a nap. So tortoise win की जगह won. So please you will keep these things in your mind. Now let us start the story. देखिए बेटा, स्टोरीज के लिए मैंने आपको ये जर्नल लाइंस है, उससे पहले मैं फिर से आपको बताऊंगी. टाइटल शुड बी देयर. टाइटल शुड बी वेरी कैची. वन थिंग, प्लॉट, कैरेक्टर्स and all our the story will revolve around the main character and the story will be in the past tense. So these things are clear, and now these are the general line and see the title of the story. Both the stories I have given the same title, be alert and careful. Be alert and careful. Now see, just as I have written, I had mentioned you that he was going in the previous the first lines, the story is like this. It was 6 o'clock in the evening. It was a pleasant evening. Now these are very general line. Every time you can put evening हमेशा होगी, pleasant भी होगी. You can write pleasant evening. There was a lot of traffic on the road. Very common line. मोहन वाली स्टोरी के लिए है. मोहन was driving in his car. He was lost in his thoughts. विचारों में खोया हुआ था. Very general line. You can use it. आप किसी को जाकर एग्जामिनर ये थोड़ी कहेगा कि भाई मोहन कौन से विचारों में खोया हुआ था. Your story will increase. At the same time, it looks good also. So, all the people were busy. Women were also busy in shopping. Ladies भी busy थी. ये तो रोड का साइड है, नहीं तो ये भी कह सकते हैं children were playing. If the market scene is there, they were purchasing chocolates, etc. Everything you can write. Your sentences will be more. Your story will be thick. And suddenly, now our क्लाइमेक्स इज कमिंग. एकदम से ऊपर हम जा रहे हैं. सडनली 2 bikers overtook his car. अब देखिए, सोच लो, थोड़ा सा एक्सीडेंट का सीन आ रहा है. मोहन became very angry and helpless. गुस्सा भी आ गया, हेल्पलेस भी आ गया. क्यों? As a boys lost control. आजकल के बच्चे ऐसे चलाते हैं ना बेटा. लड़कों ने अपना कंट्रोल खो दिया. The accident was not so fierce. इतना भयंकर नहीं था. The boys had हेलमेट. बॉयज के पास हेलमेट था. यहां पर हम आई हैव ट्राई टू गिव द पॉजिटिव एंडिंग. आई हैव ट्राई टू गिव. यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई positive. You can keep this thing and please don't try to make a story based on supernatural element. भूत की कहानी like this. Avoid all these things. So the passersby helped a lot. So we should be careful and follow the traffic rules. This is the story, very general. If any type of the scene comes suddenly, so according to the situation, you can just write all these lines instead of Mohan. If the name is given in the story, just as in the previous I have read, Mohan was driving, so you will write Mohan. And if Sohan or if Ramesh, so you will write Ramesh instead of it. बेटा बस इतना काम आपको करना है. ये नहीं कि लिखते चले जा रहे हैं, कहानी में कुछ और आ रहा है, आप जो है ये जो है करते, थोड़ा सा आपको दिमाग लगाना है क्योंकि जर्नल लाइंस हैं, आपको इनको थोड़ा सा हल्का फुल्का ट्विस्ट करना है. बस ये काम आप बेटा कर लेना. ठीक है. अब ये देखिए दूसरी स्टोरी मैंने जो है चला दी ऐसे ही कि वो जो था ना, वो जो सो रहे थे, अभी कहा था कि आई वॉज जस्ट स्लीपिंग और आई हर्ड ह्यूज एंड क्राइज. तो ये दूसरी कहानी उस पर बेस हो रही है. सडनली आई हर्ड ह्यूज एंड क्राइज. मैंने शोर सुना. अ वुमन क्राइड थीफ थीफ. अब एकदम से जो है आवाजें आने लगी, चोर चोर. अभी देख फॉरेस्ट में भी जा रहे हैं तो भी वहां पर भी जो है ये आवाजें आ सकती हैं, क्योंकि फॉरेस्ट में भी चोर आ सकता है कि नहीं आ सकता. लेकिन फॉरेस्ट में आप ये नहीं लिखोगे कि जो है बाजार आ गया, क्योंकि फिर वो जंगल कहां रहा. लेकिन चोर जंगल में आ सकते हैं. सो अ वुमन क्राइड थीफ थीफ. ऑल द पीपल बिकेम अलर्ट. अ थीफ हैड स्टोलन द पर्स. इट हैड ए गोल्डन नेकलेस. देखिए, इट हैड ए गोल्डन नेकलेस. पास्ट टेंस. थीफ हैड स्टोलन. थीफ ने चुराया था. पास्ट टेंस का यूज कर रही हूं मैं. और द थीफ वॉज रनिंग वेरी फास्ट. बहुत तेजी से थीफ भाग रहा था. कहीं भी जाएंगे जो थीफ होगा ये बिल्कुल उसके लिए कॉमन लाइन है. सो द पुलिस एट द टाइम केम, CAME, एंड द थीफ वॉज कॉट. और चोर पकड़ा गया. ठीक है. सो वी शुड बी विजिलेंट ऑन द रोड. क्यों? बिकॉज यू कैन राइट ऑल्सो द वोमेन वॉज बिजी इन टॉकिंग. पर्स लटका लिया है, सहेली से बातें कर रही है, तो जाहिर सी बात है कोई भी चोर आएगा और पर्स छीन के ले जाएगा. सो द टाइटल इज अप्रोप्रिएट. बी अलर्ट एंड केयरफुल. Why I have written so many lines here for you? Because you see all the so many videos are there in the books also you can see, but this type of material you will not get anywhere. बच्चों बहुत काम है आप लोगों के पास, इतना काम है कि आप सब छोड़कर चले जाते हो कि भाई हमसे ये नहीं होगा. तो प्लीज डोंट लीव द थिंग्स. नाउ आई हैव गिवन यू अ वेरी इजी सॉल्यूशन. सो बेटा कैसा लगा आपको? अब 3-4 आप जो भी ये देखेंगे बेटा, आप जरूर स्टोरीज बनाइएगा इन लाइन पर बेस्ड. इट इज वेरी वेरी इजी. ठीक है. तो प्लीज स्टडी वेरी वेल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बाय.